Hi, I'm touching base with you as I know that you are starting on session 3, unit 2, lesson 4, and lesson 5, which began on Tuesday. Um, these are still constitutional issues that you're looking at relative to Fourth Amendment, Fifth Amendment, and 14th Amendment. I've assigned some reading and then some case studies to stimulate your thinking. Um, as it's been a busy time for, I know, those of you working in the schools, as has been a little crazy for me as well, I have no postings for you for Unit 2, Lesson 4. The next time you have a posting due, it'll be on 10/18 relative to FERPA. And that will involve you making a video. I've assigned you to a partner or to two partners to just have a discussion around case 6-1, a home for Marlon. It's a challenging interpersonal dilemma for some. For some, it's very clear cut. So I'll be interested in seeing what your team comes up with. I've enjoyed reading the conversations that you've had via the discussion boards. You've been very thoughtful in responding not only to the content, but also to one another. I want to remind you that I'm always putting information in the instructor's notes to kind of net out some of the ideas of importance. And there are a couple of postings that I put there relative to due process and some search tips that you should keep in mind as school leaders. The last thing I want to share with you has to do with your assignments. I see that after some wrangling between me and the assessment office, the link is up and open. I see that 3 or 4 of you have uploaded your assignment. If you haven't had a chance to do that, please go on and upload assignment 1. I'm going to be getting those back to you this weekend. Those who are already up, you can expect to have them back this weekend. And then I'll start to work next week on those who are going to be putting those up in the next few days. As always, if you have questions, issues, or concerns, please reach out and just send me a note or a quick email. As many of you know, I've had video calls with you and happy to talk with you on an individual basis. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to the continuation of the semester. If you can, take some time to take care of yourself. At this juncture, we all need it. Be well.